Hello traders, today I have brought an important and very useful tutorial to make profits in TradeW. The analyst team of TradeW share profitable trading signals in Telegram channel. So we will learn how to use these signals. First, you have to see whether the price of that asset has reached to that given level or not. If yes, then you can directly open the position, or if not, then you can use pending order feature in which your position will automatically open when the price reaches to that given level. So you can open your position accordingly. Second step is to set TP. TP means take profit. By using take profit feature, your position will automatically close in profit when it reaches to the target. TP1, TP2 and TP3 are the targets till which it can reach. You can set TP as per your choice. Last but not the least is to set SL. SL means stop loss. You have to set SL as provided in the signal so that if trade goes wrong, then you can automatically exit with just small loss. Make sure to trade at your own risk. TradeW is not responsible for any trading decisions made by anyone. So that's all for today's video. I hope you can gain more profit by using trading signals as your reference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you on the next video.